Spiritual warfare should be part of your everyday life. It should be part of every Christian's life. It should be a lifestyle. If you are a born-again believer and you do not do spiritual warfare, Satan is going to knock you over. Satan is not going to not attack you because you don't believe in spiritual warfare. Satan is awake when we sleep. Satan makes plans against us when we are asleep. You will still be attacked, whether you believe in spiritual warfare, whether you believe in demons or not, and whether you believe in the spiritual realm or not. The only difference is the believer that does spiritual warfare lives in victory, whereas the believer who does not do spiritual warfare are defeated and do not live in victory.